What must be true about the angle of incidence inside the denser medium for total internal reflection to occur? A. It must be greater than the critical angle. B. It must be exactly 90 degrees. C. It must be equal to the angle of reflection. D. It must be less than the critical angle. The correct answer is A. It must be greater than the critical angle. What is the correct binomial nomenclature for papaya? A. Papaya carica. B. Carica papaya. C. Carica papaya. D. Papaya carica. The correct answer is B. Carica papaya. What role did Mao take on in 1937? A. President of China. B. Leader of the Kuomintang. C. General of the Army. D. Leader of over 10 million people. The correct answer is D. Leader of over 10 million people. Which of these seabirds is mentioned as living in the Antarctic region? A. Puffin. B. Albatross. C. Pelican. D. Gull. The correct answer is B. Albatross. Which cable is used to supply electrical power to a device? A. Power cord. B. Data cable. C. Mic cable. D. Ethernet cable. The correct answer is A. Power cord. When is Air Force Day observed in India? A. 8th October. B. 4th December. C. 7th October. D. 7th December. The correct answer is A. 8th October. What occupation might some hunter-gatherers have taken up due to the development of agriculture? A. Artisans. B. Manual laborers. C. Merchants. D. Scribes. The correct answer is B. Manual laborers. What is the name of the longest national highway in India? A. NH19. B. NH44. C. NH27. D. NH52. The correct answer is B. NH44. What was land revenue called during the Sangam period? A. Iravu. B. Wari. C. Uru. D. Kadmai. The correct answer is D. Kadmai. How are atoms arranged in diamond? A. In a linear chain. B. In repeated tetrahedral fashion. C. In a branched structure. D. In a hexagonal ring. The correct answer is B. In repeated tetrahedral fashion. What is the approximate speed of sound waves in air at NTP? A. 680 ms1. B. 3x10 8 ms1. C. 170 ms1. D. 340 ms1. The correct answer is D. 340 ms1. Which of the following is listed as a marginal sea of the Arctic Ocean? A. Barents Sea. B. Kara Sea. C. Weddell Sea. D. Davis Sea. The correct answer is A. Barents Sea. What is the distance travelled by Geeta to her uncle's house? A. 1 kilometer. B. 1 kilometer per minute. C. 40 kilometers. D. 40 minutes. The correct answer is C. 40 kilometers. What natural feature did the children come across in the distance? A. A mountain. B. A pond. C. A forest. D. A river. The correct answer is B. A pond. At what temperature does carbon dioxide become a solid without changing to a liquid state? A. Minus 570 C. B. 250 C. Circa 1000 C. D. 00 C. The correct answer is A. Minus 570 C. What type of songs is Tukaram known for? A. Patriotic songs. B. Love songs. C. Spiritual songs. D. Folk songs. The correct answer is C. Spiritual songs. Which of these devices converts direct current to alternating current? A. DC adapter. B. Inverter. C. Rectifier. D. Battery charger. The correct answer is B. Inverter. Which empires had declined when the Portuguese conquered Malacca? A. Mughal and Ottoman. B. Roman and Greek. C. Aztec and Inca. D. Srivijaya and Majapahit. The correct answer is D. Srivijaya and Majapahit. Which nutrient is absorbed in the smallest quantity by sugarcane per hectare among the listed nutrients? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. None of the above. D. Potassium. The correct answer is B. Phosphorus. What is the definition of a weak acid? A. Acids that ionize partially in water. B. Acids that do not ionize in water. C. Acids that ionize completely in water. D. Acids that are insoluble in water. The correct answer is A. Acids that ionize partially in water. Who performs the functions of the speaker if the office is vacant? A. Governor. B. Chief Minister. C. Chief Justice. D. Deputy Speaker. The correct answer is D. Deputy Speaker. What is the shape of the muscle fibers in smooth muscle? A. Branched with striations. B. Cylindrical with multiple nuclei. C. Irregular and unenucleate. D. Broad in the middle and tapering at the ends. The correct answer is D. Broad in the middle and tapering at the ends. What was the voluntary contribution made by people to the king in the early Vedic period? A. Kar. B. Shulka. C. Bali. D. Bhaga. The correct answer is C. Bali. What is affected when the price of goods increases? A. Supply power. B. Purchasing power. C. Export power. D. Production power. The correct answer is B. Purchasing power. What is the primary function of scrapers as Middle Paleolithic tools? A. For digging holes. B. For cutting wood. C. For scraping surfaces. D. For shaping pottery. The correct answer is C. For scraping surfaces. In cold countries, what forms on the surface of rivers, lakes, and ponds during winter? A. A layer of algae. B. A solid layer of ice. C. A layer of snow. D. A layer of mud. The correct answer is B. A solid layer of ice. To understand more about other parts of a cockroach, what resource is suggested? A. A microscope. B. A field guide. C. The internet. D. A teacher. The correct answer is D. A teacher. How does heat flow from one place to another by means of electromagnetic waves? A. Absorption. B. Conduction. C. Convection. D. Radiation. The correct answer is D. Radiation. What title did Alauddin Hassan adopt after seizing Daulatabad? A. Bahman Shah. B. Amukhtamalyada. C. Sultan of Delhi. D. Krishna Dev Raya. The correct answer is A. Bahman Shah. To which period is a menhir found at a burial site assigned? A. Megalithic period. B. Paleolithic period. C. Bronze Age. D. New Stone Age. The correct answer is A. Megalithic period. How did you score?